Dec County early voting locations with another voter. Hi, what was your name again?
Hey, I'm Lisa.
Hi, Miss Lisa. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us. I see you have your voting sticker on with your young man, teaching the family. Yeah,
teaching them early.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Well, if you wouldn't mind, tell me a little bit what motivated you to vote today.
The way the direction the country's going in right now.
Okay.
So it's a little different.
It's a little different.
So I feel like I had to voice my put my vote in.
That's right.
To make a difference. I know that's cliche to say, but it's going in a very not so good direction.
Right. Okay.
And I feel like me voting makes a difference, and I feel like change is going to come.
That's right. That's right. So do you feel like voting is or is not important?
It's very important because if you don't vote, you can't complain.
I hear you.
I hear a lot of people say, "Oh, I don't vote. I don't do this. I don't do that." But then they're complaining about the current state of our